A relationship is like a house. When a light bulb burns out, you do not go and buy a new house, you fix the light bulb. Our mind spends over 70% of its time daydreaming, creating scenarios of perfect moments that will never happen. Secretly thinking you're better than everyone else is good for your mental health. When a girl tells you about her problems, it does not mean that she is complaining, it means she trusts you. A person who seems jealous or dingy is actually someone who cares most or more sensitive towards others. Karma said, sometimes you have to suffer in life, not because you were bad, but because you didn't realize where and when to stop being good. Don't talk or be with each other all day long. Too much of anything is bad for relationship. Psychology says the longer you hide your feelings for someone, the harder you fall for that individual. Psychology says flirting is an effective way to reduce depression, loneliness, and relieving stress. The worst type of loneliness is the loneliness you feel when you are with people. Some people are not loyal to you. They are loyal to their needs of you. Once their need changes, so does their loyalty.
Pain makes you stronger. Tears make you braver. Heartbreak makes you wiser. So thank the past for a better future.